Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. We're staying at the Encore here in Las Vegas, and we're already kind of in the room, so it's a little bit banged up. And I hate doing these videos when they're all banged up like that, but I have no choice. So room 5315, I've already come in here. You use your key to unlock it, and I kept it open. So I'm gonna turn this around and show you this beautiful, beautiful room. All right, so room 5315, and we have a doorbell. You hear it? So walk in. We have, this is the adjoining door. I already walked in here, so everything is already on, the TV is on, and it's just a single room. I'll walk through that. Over there is not a mirror. Those are those are the windows. This is the closet. We'll open that in a second. Here's your bathroom. Again, I've already been in here, so it's a little bit banged up. Here's your shower. It's still dripping. Oh God, I didn't turn it off correctly. That's my loofah thing. You get shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And this I'm definitely gonna do damage in a little bit. Here's your tub. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna do this later. You have some soap. Those are my bath salts. Here's your sinks. It's two sinks, his and hers. And I love this bathroom. I've always loved it. I want to do this to my house. I don't know if I'll be able to afford it ever. Here's your artwork. You have a vanity mirror. I don't know how to turn it on. Oh, did you turn it on? So you do my makeup. And you even have plugs if you need to plug something in. Tissues. We always get super excited about tissues. Here's your remote for your television. I love this because in the morning when I'm getting ready, I have the TV on, I can watch some news. Polish, buff for your shoes, body lotion, shower cap, cotton swabs, and these are those rounds for your face. Towels, here's your blow dryer, your vanity chair. So you sit there while you're doing your makeup. There's also a scale, which I'm not gonna get on because we don't need to know how much I weigh. And one cool thing I had when I got here, the airline had lost my luggage. So when I checked in, I had already asked for a toothbrush and deodorant. So they gave me 2 deodorants, men and for ladies, mouthwash, and then a toothbrush box with a little tiny little toothpaste and my toothbrush. So I had that at least while I was waiting for my luggage. Here you have soap. Here's your sink. And you have a toilet room. I never know what this is called. And then you have your phones if you need to use the phone while you're in here. Extra toilet paper. Oh, I need to show you this. This is how you turn the lights on and off. It's just a touch. Your trash can. Robes, 2. Here you can hang your more clothes. Here's your door, it's nice and heavy. Your bath mat, and you know what, we're gonna come back in this bathroom and do this again because it's beautiful. Here's your closet. These doors are super high. So let's open this. Plenty of storage. You have a shelf up here, you can store items, your safe, drawers, 3. can hang your clothes. You have some extra hangers so you do your laundry. Okay, so that was your closet. And you know what? When you walked in, here are all the things you could do. You could do all on, low, all off, service, privacy. And we'll figure out what that's next. And check out the detail. And then now look at this full length mirror. And it's huge. So now we're walking into the main area, or the bedroom part. Having another full length mirror. Here's your comfy bed. Lamp. This is my water, so I drink a lot of water. Remote control. Your phone, and then here you can control everything. The lights, drapes, temperature, clock, alarm, everything. USB ports and plugs. More on your lamp. And then here you have, this pulls out so you can put more items here. You have a little drawer in here. And the same on the other side. It's all the same. It's all the same. Your gigantic TV that swivels, and it's open, so that's actually the other side of the room. You only have 4 doors. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is where you have some other shelves and your mini bar. So yeah, you have this is my stuff. I already put this in here, and I did open one of these super expensive candies, which we'll go into now. So this little fridge is a mini bar. So you have a fridge, but you can't really store anything in here. And if you touch anything or move it for more than 30 seconds, then you're gonna get charged. So be careful here. And check this out. You have champagne, you have beer, tequila, Red Bull, Tito's, Grey Goose back there, water, more beer. I don't want to touch it because I don't know what'll happen. So there's that. And here's the doors where you can store your snacks. And let's take a look at this. For your convenience, please feel free to select any of the items from this in-room assortment. Items you choose to enjoy will be charged to your account once they have been removed from the tray for longer than 30 seconds. Holy moly. But look at everything you have to choose from. You have all kinds of little crackers, cashews, fruits, more mix, water, revive kit, whatever that is, rejuvenates, intimacy kit, okay. And that's, I saw that in the other hotel. Cookies, popcorn, potato chips. That's my candle. I always like to light candles. That's my Glenlivet, your ice bucket. I already went to get ice. You get 2 wine glasses, 2 rocks cups. I already have my little bar set up here. Here's your light. So you turn it off, and it just dims. I just turned it back on. Now let's walk over here. This is your desk. So you have 2 chairs. I already have this is my stuff here. I had gone to lunch earlier, so I'm probably gonna have that for dinner. You have an Alexa, an Amazon. Oh my God, I said her name. One of these Echoes, and then it'll teach you how to plug that in, or how to set that up with Bluetooth. Now, because of COVID, they give you 2 masks. What you need to know, so your symptoms if you have COVID, you have your phone here. And you turn off the light here, it dims. Turn it back on. A little drawer. A little pen. More space. And then the bottom comes out too. So that comes out too. So I'm gonna set up my computer a little bit. This swivels. There's your light. I know that light. Your AC. 65. You know what? It's not cold enough. It's dark, so you can't really like see much. Can't see anything. All you see is a reflection of the room. We were filming last night and you couldn't see outside because it was so dark. So I'm gonna insert what the view is from here. So I'm gonna turn around. This is just a quick little insert. That's the convention center. And that's Resort World. This is my mess. I'll explain this in a second. My luggage got lost in the airport. It ended up somewhere else, so by the time I got it, it was super late. I haven't gone through anything. Something had blown up in there, so I had to go through all that, clean everything out. I'm still not done, so I'll finish that in a minute. Here's your ottoman. Super cool, sleek sofa. These are more mirrors in the back. Here's your light, and it's the same mechanism where it's just a little button you push. 2 more drawers. Here's the back of the television, and the television swivels. So if you're in the living room, you could swivel it so that you can watch it here, or you can watch it from here, or you can watch it from the bed. So that's a nice little cool feature. And we'll start messing with the controls. Everything is Bluetooth powered and electrical. So this you don't do by yourself. It's not manual. There's a button you push for this. Oh, look at that. So then you have your lights over here. And I'm actually gonna take good look at this because I would love to do this in my house. Those lights turn on. And let's actually take a look again. Let me take a look. I'm gonna write. Oh, I will. All on. All off. Whoa. This is all off. Oh, and the shades are closing all by themselves. And now it's super dark. Okay, so let's try to find our way back. You know what, actually? Let's do it here. In this handy, right next to the bed. Control, all on. There you go, everything's on. And now let's open the drapes.
Is the sound of change from PNC Bank. It's the sound of 1,000 sides.
I'm gonna go home.
And of a company
Drapes. Drapes, you can control the drapes or the sheer. So I'm just gonna open the drapes. So open. Open. It's not happening. Oops, open. Here we go. There you go. Super amazing. And since we're already at this, I'm just gonna open the shears too. So let's open the shears. Oh, and here they go. So there you have it. This is the room. You got a light right up here.
Like the world is your stage. Then make one of the biggest moves in your life.
And again, this is your desk. These are 2 chairs. Your couch. This is actually a lounger too. You can relax here, look at the city. Get your drink at the minibar, get your snacks. Make yourself, go get some ice, make yourself a cocktail. And we're walking out. And again, the bathroom. Your TV. And your robes. And the shower and bath, which I am going to enjoy. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Press that notification bell on the bottom so you see whenever we're making these funny videos. And I hope to see you soon. Bye.